going to Thalaivas kitchen. Yeah, because again, he's craving for, we'll check if there's tali there. And it's 40 minutes away from here, but cravings. So we'll go now. Bye.
Yeah, I don't know what I need to adjust on.
Yeah.
Right. If there is a station nearby, we can take the train and stop here. Yeah, that should be.
Oh,
How is it?
it's hot. We're done. We're full. Especially this.
Did you see me wiping like this?
Did you see this? So we're going to Costco now because there's some things that we need to get for restock. Are we going? No, we're not go to Patel. He doesn't want to go to the Indian, what do you call this? Grocery. You don't want? Are you sure?
It's okay, I'm sure.
Pumpkin. This is for dyeing, no? Heat press. Ah. Yeah. Oh. Look, oh, washable markers. again at the park. It's already afternoon and we're doing our afternoon walk. His afternoon walk. Because he forced me to walk. I don't want to walk. So behind this is this, I think someone, maybe the park admin will give rights to some residents to plant there. So there's already a lot of plants there. Different vegetables. Because as you know, this is the only time people can plant. Hi! So ayun na nga, si Dilip ay patuloy na lumalakad around the oval. Ako nakaikot na ako ng isa. Pero dahil sobrang sipag ko nga, umupo na ako dito sa bench. Sabi ko, hintayin ko na lang siya matapos. So ayun na nga. And that's all for today. Anyway, hapon na. Actually, gabi na pala. Past. Almost anong oras na ba? 7:12 na pala ng gabi. Ng gabi, pero ganito kaliwanag. So, ayan. Yun lang naman. And for now, that's all. Bye-bye.